This book is being read with permission from HarperCollins Publishers. Hello, my amazing reading friends. It's Awnie. I'm so happy you've come to read with me. Are you ready for a story? In this book, the cool bean is facing his biggest challenge yet, the super slide. But he's feeling really nervous. Will he find the courage to take the plunge? Let's find out as we read The Cool Bean Makes a Splash. If you have a copy, go get it so you can read along with me.
Hello, my name is Saba. I'm from Turkey. Like and subscribe to Awnie's house.
The Cool Bean Makes a Splash. Written by Jory John. Cover illustration by Pete Oswald and interior illustrations by Saba Joshaghani. Watch out! Here come the cool beans! They're so totally cool! You can't get any cooler than that! I need sunglasses just to look at them. This pool just became the coolest place in town. Check out how they dive! Are you ready for this? Look at how they cannonball! Yo! It's cannonball time! Watch how they backflip! Yow! It's time to flip it. Flip it good. What a splashy entrance! The cool beans are the best swimmers in town! Ah, yes. This is the life. Look at their terrific technique! Their perfect posture! Their fearless floating! The cool beans are the center of everything! I don't know how they do it, but they make everything look effortless. I don't think anyone else can top that level of cool. Meanwhile, I'm out here on my own. I'm treading water by myself. But hey, we're all just doing our best. Plus, there are plenty of things for an ordinary bean to do in the pool. I can still have a grand old time. Yes. But every time Wow! That slide is huge! Do you think he's really gonna do it?
I don't know. He looks a little nervous.
I can't do it! I just can't do it! I don't know what I was thinking! Oh no! What are the cool beans doing? Wait! Why are they coming up here? Wait! Are they going to embarrass me even more? Gulp! I can't stand it! Arr!
Psst! It looks like you could use a hand.
It turns out the cool beans just wanted to help me out. Oh, and they asked if I'd like to ride the slide with them. They're waiting for my answer. Sure, yes, I would like that.
Great. We'll be right behind you. It's not as scary when you go with friends.
It'll be over before you know it.
Whee!
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 Whoa! Wow! I did it! I really did it! I really, really did it! What a thrill! What a rush! What a ride! And I never even cried! The super slide was super fun! And I couldn't have done it without my cool friends! High five!
Yeah, buddy.
They all realized that I just needed some encouragement and support. Sometimes I forget that there are plenty of kind folks who have my back. They're always there when I need them. Yes, indeed. Watch out!
Here I come. Yow!
And now it's time to relax with my friends. Because it turns out you could be just as cool at the shallow end of the pool.
With a little help from his friends, the cool bean finally made it down the super slide. Sometimes all we need is a little support to face our fears. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Thanks for reading with me today. See you next time.